to tell us what exactly has Hatsun Agro done in the second quarter that the stock has become a rocket 20% on Hatsun Agro. Clearly, those numbers have hit the mark and more. Mangalam, tell us, circuit.
It was a strong performance that came in from Hatsun Agro in their second quarter. A consolidated revenue growth of nearly 17%, also further aided by their acquisition of Milk Mantra. But overall, the margins were good. Year on year, there was an improvement in the gross margins, which we saw in the previous quarter as well. So quarter on quarter, they were largely stable. A mild decline is what we saw. But that has supported the EBITDA growth, and that has gone all the way down to the bottom line. So 17% revenue growth has resulted in a 35% EBITDA growth. Margins came in from 11.6% to around 13.5%. And the net profit on that base increased from 64 crores to 109 crores, which is almost a 70% jump. Gross margins staying stable around that 31-32% mark, so that's a positive. And more importantly, remember, the stock hadn't seen a big rally. In fact, it was about 15% away from its 52-week high going into these numbers, and as a result of which, we saw that big move after a good set coming in for the second straight quarter. More importantly, what this also did was caused a rally in all the other dairy stocks. So if you pull up something like a Parag Milk or even a Dodla Dairy, all these stocks saw a big surge after Hatsun Agro's numbers. But importantly, even Nestle in its commentary did point out that going forward, milk prices, procurement prices are likely to decline, which is largely margin accretive for all these dairy companies.
Okay, there's more news on SRF, by the way.